Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect homemade mozzarella cheese right in your kitchen. Okay, this recipe is super simple with just only 2 ingredients, and trust me, you're going to love it. So let's jump right in. Okay, so these are the ingredients you need. Just raw milk. If you don't have the raw milk, you can use your regular whole milk. Okay, so in your regular milk, you have to make sure that it is pasteurized. Okay, not ultra pasteurized. Okay, when you're going to buy your milk, just make sure it's pasteurized. And the other ingredient is the distilled white vinegar. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is to pour half a gallon of milk into a large pot, okay? I'm going to go ahead to heat this up for about 85 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? You can use the thermometer to check the right temperature, okay? I'm going to give it a stir and make sure it is hot evenly. Once it is hot and to my preferred temperature, I'll go ahead to add in my distilled vinegar, okay? I'm using about 1/4 cup. So this is what makes the milk to curdle and form the cheese, okay? So immediately I'm going to cover it and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? We'll go ahead to cover it and turn off the heat, okay? So after a few minutes, the milk has completely separated into curds and wave, okay? The curds are the thick, chunky part and the wave is the liquid. Now I'm going to go ahead to drain out the curds through a strainer lined with cheesecloth to separate them from the whey, okay? You can save the whey for baking or other recipes. You can use it for your garden or whatever you want to use it for, okay? But for today, we are focusing on our mozzarella cheese. Once the curds are drained, I'll gather them together in the cheesecloth and gently squeeze out any excess liquid. So guys, now I'm going to place the curds into a microwave safe bowl. And you can see some of the curds are sticking to the cheesecloth. So we'll go ahead to carefully get them out and then press it to see if I still have any excess liquid. Then pop it into the microwave for about a minute. Then after 1 minute later, I'll go ahead to remove it from the microwave. And please make sure to be careful with that because it is really hot. Now I'm going to use my spatula to bring it together, okay? And you can see that I still have excess liquid, okay? So I'm going to go ahead to pour it out, then continue to knead for a few minutes. So I'm going to knead it to become stretchy. We'll go ahead to put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds and knead again, okay? You want to repeat this process a couple of more times until the curds are fully stretched and smooth, okay? This step is the key to getting that perfect mozzarella cheese, okay? So guys, can I tell you a secret? This is the 4th time of me trying this recipe. And whenever I make it, it is either so soft or it turns to liquid. And me getting to this stage makes me so excited. And friends, if you are a pro in making homemade mozzarella cheese, kindly let me know what I did wrong so that I can correct my mistakes and correct myself the next time, okay? Now you can see how stretchy our mozzarella cheese is. We'll go ahead to shape it into a ball. The next step is to season it, okay? We'll add some salt to the whey and give it a stir, okay? I'm going to go ahead to add in the cheese into the whey, and please make sure that the whey is warm enough. I'm going to dip the cheese in the whey to be fully incorporated with the salt, okay? I'm going to repeat the same process until I get the perfect texture, okay? To finish up, I'm going to go ahead to place the cheese into a cold water for about 10 minutes to cool it down. This will help the cheese to set the shape. And there you have it, the perfect homemade mozzarella cheese. Absolutely delicious, fresh and stretchy mozzarella cheese that you can make in the comfort of your home with just a few ingredients, okay? You can use this in salad, on pizza, or you can just eat it right away, okay? If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.